What if I told you your microwave could whip up a holiday-worthy eggnog latte faster than a coffee shop? Here's the trick. Start with a microwave-safe mug and pour in equal parts eggnog and milk. Heat it for about 45 seconds until warm but not boiling. Then, stir in a shot of espresso or strong coffee. The key? A quick whisk or even a fork to froth it up right in the mug. For extra indulgence, top with a sprinkle of nutmeg or cinnamon. That's it. A cozy, creamy latte in under a minute, no fancy machine required. Ready to try it? Drop a comment with your favorite holiday drink hack.